During the last century, sandbags have been very effective when used in flood prevention. This critical time-sensitive need remains now, and will always remain, a proven solution for the protection of life and property. Until this moment, the labor-intensive process was accomplished previously through the use of many tools and a significant human workforce. You are now about to see a remarkable demonstration of an exceptional new invention that will revolutionize flood control and have a major impact in disaster-prone areas. The Sandmaster 26 makes this possible with a seamless process using the hydraulic power of any front-end loader to fill, securely close, and distribute multiple 60-pound sandbags. It is simple in concept, yet versatile, economically manufactured, and is extremely durable. 3 required modifications to any loader bucket include welding the hooks you see here on top of the bucket and the drilling of 2 pinholes in the bucket sides for the support arms. In this application, brackets were welded in order for the bypass valves to deactivate the 4-in-1 hydraulic system, thereby activating the ram that powers the triggers. Attaching the Sandmaster 26 takes about 2 minutes, and its removal is as simple. Seen here is the core of the invention, where a bagless, non-stretch cord or drawstring is employed. In this demonstration, the operator activates the trigger, locking the cord securely around the tension ring. When the trigger is rotated to the cinch position, it lifts the drawstring off the tension ring and gravity takes over, tightening the bag securely as it falls. The trigger is then moved forward, releasing the load in the desired location. What makes this possible is the precise relationship between the diameter of the tension ring, the length and position of the trigger, and the diameter of the non-stretch cord. Here, the ground man is seen inserting the bags into the device using the convenient speed loader. This entire process takes 90 seconds to secure 26 bags. Once the bags are locked in place, the front-end loader drives into the sand pile, filling the bags in a single, sweeping motion. The bucket is fully rotated back, filling the top line of bags while simultaneously dumping excess sand on the pile for future use. As the bags are being filled and delivered to their destination, the ground man prepares the speed loader for the next round. Note that the loader bucket is still available for its original intended use. The pile of bags you see in the distance is roughly 75 yards away, and as 26 bags were added every 3 minutes, 2 workers can produce an amazing 4,000 bags in only an 8-hour period. This pile was previously loosened utilizing the loader bucket. The largest rocks are 6 to 8 inches, and as you can see, the Sandmaster 26 has no difficulty in handling the material. Because the triggers lay flat, there's nothing to damage. This ingenious device works with all forms of gravel, reasonable rubble piles, and soil, wet or dry, in the event sand is not available. A tremendous advantage in using these inexpensive materials with biodegradable bags is that emergency flood control can remain as permanent flood prevention by simply adding seed to the soil-filled bags for erosion control. Short-term, no bag, dam, or levee dismantling, and long-term, no need to repeat the prevention process. Affected areas' cost savings would be significant. Summarizing, the Sandmaster 26 is extremely versatile. It can be adapted to fit any loader bucket and will work with various size and shaped bags. Currently, it can be scraping oil-laden sand off our beaches, placing barriers at threatening water's edge, fortifying levees, as well as protecting homes and our troops abroad. Regardless of unknown uses, the potential customer base here is far-reaching indeed. FEMA, all of the armed services, the National Guard, the Army Corps of Engineers, and all state and county public works divisions are but a few. In addition, many private firms, families, and individuals located in flood-prone areas would be inclined to own one. This is also applicable on a global scale. As seen on CNN last year during catastrophic flooding in Fargo, North Dakota, 1,200 students made and distributed 1 million 30-pound sandbags in 5 days. Per student, that's 5,000 pounds of sand in a 24-hour period. The Sandmaster 26 can accomplish this formidable task in around 9 minutes. Comparatively, that's an 8,000% increase in production. A staggering improvement, to be sure.